One of the numerous infrastructure that government must put in place to make life comfortable and make movement of goods easy from one location to the other is good road network. In Ogun State, the Prince Dapo Abiodun-led administration since inception has constructed and rehabilitated many roads in all the 20 local governments without leaving any behind. One of such roads is a 6 kilometers Owode Ofada Road, which is one of the bypass roads leading to the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway through the Mowe axis of the state. This road has significant economic importance to the people and government due to its proximity to Lagos. Speaking while commissioning the road, the governor of Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abeokuta, says the success recorded by his administration in the last 4 years has been due to the cooperation of the citizens, assuring the people of the state of more infrastructural developments.
Today is another day, and one that is very significant in the collective journey towards the development and prosperity of Ogun State as we gather here to commission this 6 kilometer road. I welcome all of us to this momentous occasion. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the people of Owode and Shiu communities, and indeed the entirety of Ogun State citizens. This project realization is a testament to the dedication and hard work of all involved. I would like to commend the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure, and of course the contractor Fort Hammond, for ensuring that they bring this vision into fruition. The inauguration of this road symbolizes administration's commitment to strategic, methodical and intentional development of infrastructure across the length and breadth of Ogun State. I want to use this opportunity and this medium to reassure all our citizens of our dedication to providing more infrastructure for the good use of our people. Because of the situation in the country in the last few months, which has not allowed for the objective pricing of materials, particularly construction materials, we have had a slowdown in construction. But for us, construction represents a lot. Besides the fact that road construction allows you to move goods, people and services from point A to point B, the construction industry is the largest employer of labor. So we will continue to prioritize construction. We have harvested priority roads in each local government, and we can see that things are getting better in Nigeria. We can see that our president, in line with his renewed promise and policies, have begun to implement programs that have now begun to bring us respite. Now you will now see us beginning our reconstruction all over again, because there is now price stability. The exchange rate, the naira, has begun to be stronger. The exchange rate is now stable and more predictable. So our contractors are now going to be going back to site. So all those roads that we harvested during our last budget town hall meeting, you will see us now beginning to resume construction of those roads.
Governor Abiodun described the road as crucial due to its proximity to Lagos.
This is a very crucial road. The road that connects all those coming from Abeokuta to Shiu to Owode. Obafemi Owode is a very important local government to us in Ogun State. It represents one of our border communities where we border with Lagos State. It represents a spillover for Lagos State. Obafemi Owode is a local government where a lot of people that work in Lagos reside and commute daily. This vital road is also a bypass or an alternative road for those that are going from Abeokuta to Lagos. It means that you do not have to go all the way to the expressway. And if peradventure there's a problem on the expressway, it provides a ready alternative. Thus, this road will significantly impact the overall socio-economic development of our state.
The governor of Kwara State, Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, who was the special guest of honor while highlighting some benefits of the road, expressed his pleasure for sharing in the joy of the people of the area.
It's indeed my pleasure to share in the joy of the people of this great community over the completion of this road. Every infrastructural project executed takes us a step higher in the ladder of human capital development indices. The completion of this road means lesser travel time, improved business opportunities, higher life expectancy, reduced cost of maintenance for utilities like vehicles, and better access to markets, amongst other things. I'm aware that this project is just one of several infrastructural projects being undertaken by this administration and fits nicely into the renewed hope infrastructural agenda of Mr. President. I therefore thank His Excellency, the Governor of Ogun State, Prince Dr. Abiodun, for his commitment to the welfare of the people of the state. I also congratulate the people of this community on this development.
He urged the people of the area to pay better attention to the road by protecting it.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I urge the great people of our country to pay better attention to how we handle public infrastructure. Let us protect every government facility and project in our communities, including roads. Doing that will truly build our country and save lives and enhance business opportunities. This is not a duty to any governor or ruling party. It's a duty to our country. Now, once a road is damaged, it continues to deteriorate. And once it gets bad, it's difficult to fix. As we're all aware, there's huge infrastructural deficit in the whole of the country. So communities like this should truly appreciate investments by the state.
The senator representing Ogun Central at the National Assembly, Senator Shuaib Afolabi, says the road construction is a manifestation of promise made and promise kept.
Your Excellency, I stand here with pride that when this road was conceived, late 2022, I came here to campaign 2023 for my senatorial election, and what the people were saying was, oh, you started this road, your boss is starting this road as a gimmick to win the election, that he will not complete this road. Today, Your Excellency, this is yet another manifestation of promise made and promise kept. The road has not only been done, the road has been done very well. So I'm proud to have been part of your regime and proud to have served as your chief of staff. And on behalf of the people of Owode local government and Ogun Central Senatorial District, we say a very big thank you to you.
He called on the other members of the Federal House of Representatives to continue to support the governor in his bid to develop the state.
We want to pledge, Your Excellency, that Ogun State Caucus in the National Assembly will continue to support you. We will stand by you, we will stand with you. You are making us proud, and we also continue to make you proud in the National Assembly. Once again, on behalf of all of us, we thank you for this beautiful road, and we do hope, as Yorubas will say, Oku Oku, Nibon Road Gbogbo Titi Toku, ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, ní Ogun Central, Ọlọ́run á fún yín ṣe.
Goodwill messages came from the members of the Ogun State House of Assembly and other dignitaries at the event.
Your Excellency, we appreciate you. We appreciate you for all that you have done for us in Obafemi Owode. We have so many projects you have done, but this particular one we are here commissioning today, we thank you. I could remember some years back when we nominated this road to Your Excellency. You asked specifically that how many kilometers is this road, and I said I don't know, but we will check and get back to you. Not long ago, the commissioner for works called me and said they are coming to measure Owode Road. Your Excellency, I'm here today appreciating you for all you have been doing for us. Fi Obafemi Owode sẹ́yìn rárá, a dúpẹ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ yín. We thank you so very much. I'm coming here today representing Obafemi Owode constituency in the Ogun State House of Assembly. I am happy, delighted to be here for this commissioning and to appreciate everyone here today, particularly His Excellency Prince Dr. Dapo Abiodun. We want to say thank you. And please, sir, I know you have a lot on your table. We still have a lot of bad roads in Obafemi Owode. We know you will never forget us. You will keep remembering us. Your Excellency, we still have some roads that you will still help us to do. And we will keep praying for you.
In the olden days, everybody passing through this road, we remember dungeon called Koto Ajala. Refurbishing this road is a very big dividend of democracy delivered by our governor to the people of Owode and its environment, Egba land and Ogun State in general. Therefore, we are duty bound to appreciate His Excellency for this big achievement, so as for him to deliver more dividend of democracy to us in this state. I admonish all promoters and people that are using this road to make good use of the road so that it can last longer. Your Excellency, you are making us proud as a party. You are making us proud as people of Ogun State. God will continue to strengthen you and give you wisdom, good head to do more and more. Lastly, at this period of fasting for both Muslim and Christian, let us remember our country and our state so that God can free us from this insecurity and economic crisis.
Ẹ ṣèlérí fún wa, ẹ dẹ̀ mú ìlérí náà ṣẹ. I want to thank you on behalf of the good people of Obafemi Owode local government. We say a very big thank to you, sir.
We are delighted to have you in our midst for doing what you know to do best. What you know to do best is to give happiness to every citizen of this state, Ogun State. And today, you promised that the Owode Egba Road will be done during your tenure. And the promise is now fulfilled today, and that is what we come to do here today. Governor, we thank you so much, despite the fact that there are so many administrations in the past that promise us the same gestures, kind gestures you come and deliver to us today. But despite that, we put our hope on God until you come to power.
Catching up with the Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure, Engineer Ade Akinsoya, after the commissioning, he highlighted the economic benefits of the road to to the people.
His Excellency Prince Dapo Abiodun, in the company of the Governor of Kwara State, His Excellency Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, commissioned the 6-kilometer road from Sheung to to Owode Egba. This is part of the one of the ongoing construction projects in the state. That particular road from Sheung to Owode, it goes to Ofada, from Ofada to Mowe, and it connects to the Lagos-Ibadan Express. The His Excellency have completed from the Mowe Junction to Ofada roundabout, and we've done the 6 kilometers between Sheung Junction to Owode Egba. So what is left is about somewhere between 10 to 11 kilometers between Owode Egba to Ofada roundabout to complete that link, and that will allow anybody coming from Abeokuta or Shagamu to go directly link from Sheung to Lagos Express via Mowe. So it's an economic road for the people living in the area. It will benefit all the people moving their product, the agricultural product from the surrounding community to to wherever destination to the market. And also, when that road is completed, it should be a direct link from Sheung to Ogere to Iperu to the international airport. So to be a continuous loop, so anybody coming from that side directly, they don't have to go through Shagamu to the other side. So it's a different transportation alternative route for people to get to the airport or wherever they are going. And also, there's something wrong on the Lagos-Ibadan. There's an alternative to bypass that.
Engineer Kinsoya explained that other roads under construction would soon be commissioned and that different routes leading to Lagos would soon be worked upon.
It's one of many roads under construction right now. Immediately after the commissioning, the ESCO approved one of the major key projects in the state, the Abule Egba Sango-Ota to Abeokuta, which is almost 70 kilometers in length, and also the completion of the Agbara-Lusada-Aton road. And also one of the other roads, very important for the link to the airport, from Odiremon Junction to Shapade, which link the Lagos-Ibadan. So anybody coming from Ibadan area, so they have a direct access, a shortcut to the airport. And what we are doing right now is, very soon we'll be rolling out different roads, economic road connecting to the boundary states, or more or less primarily Lagos State, that we start construction. So we have about more than 60 project planned this year to start the reconstruction or rehabilitation of those roads. So just be on the lookout. Every week there'll be something coming out.
The special advisor to the governor on public works, Engineer Babatunde Adesina, says the road is a dream come true to the people of the area and gave a brief history of the road.
In the 70s, that was not the alignment of that road. The people in Abeokuta, generally, we know what they call Koto Ajala. Vehicles going to Owode or coming into Owode, going out of Owode, used to have a terrible accident. In fact, it's monthly. It was nearly monthly on that road. This was a popular accident spot. There have accident in Koto Ajala, that was always the noise in the 70s. When Governor Onabanjo came, he changed the alignment to what we have today, and that was in 1981. But that it was not the best. It was not the best how? It was not the best because heavy trucks still find it difficult to climb that slope. The slope was quite high. So accidents still continue, but not as rampant as it used to be. But the administration of Prince Dapo Abiodun has really solved these problems, because the new administration has greatly reduced the slope on the Owode road to very reasonable, manageable slope. That no truck will come back as it was climbing the slope.
He explained the economic benefits of the road.
There are a lot of economic benefits. We could not get distributors for beers in Owode. We could not get distributors for cement, because the fear is, how do we climb that? So with this new construction, the economic activities of Owode Township will greatly improve. But not only that, this road leads to Ofadamowe. So people coming from Abeokuta may not necessarily go as far as interchange. It's going to serve as a bypass to Ofadamowe, and off you go to Lagos. That is another. And even the little time in the past 1 year that the road has been under construction, you will see that the face of Owode Township has changed. For the first time we are seeing story buildings. When you are entering the Owode now, you can see about 3-4 story buildings on your left. That is because the administration of Prince Dapo Abiodun has constructed a new road for us.
Giant strides caught up with some residents of the area, and they expressed their joy.
And we are here today to join our dear Governor, His Excellency Prince Dapo Abiodun, CON, in the commissioning of the Owode Road, which is newly built, and for the use of the good people of Obafemi Owode local government and Ogun State in entirety.
The new road is okay. It will help a lot. It will help the commuters. And if you look at this axis, this axis is the place that food is going out from rural area to urban area. So it is very useful for the commuters, and it will reduce the cost of transport, the transportation to the city.
With the infrastructure put in place by the Prince Dapo Abiodun administration, there is no doubt that Ogun has become investors' destination of high repute in Nigeria. Fortune is now smiling on the economy of the state as more investors are moving in and the state is moving forward. Ìgbéga ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, àjọṣe gbogbo wa ni.